Hi guys, I am Isha Rose and I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author, writer and publisher. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at the United States. She is the author of inspirational speaker and writer. Till now she has written 8 titles which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHA. My today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, which targets the each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short previews of her beautiful second book, Inspiration Me. March 6. It is not what you look at that important or significant. It's what you see, because some people may see glory, some people may see defeat, some people may see rage, and some people may see honor. Knowledge comes, but wisdom stays and remains active. It may not be difficult to store up in the mind a vast quantity of facts. The ability to form judgments requires the severe discipline of hard work and the tempering heat of experience and maturity. Those who improve with age embrace the power of self actualization. They embrace the distinctive maturation and individual accomplishment. They begin to replace the youth with wisdom, innocence with understanding, and lack of purpose with enlightenment. March 7. The two great essentials to achieve anything worthwhile are hard work and common sense. Whatever you do in life, surround yourself with smart people who will argue with you. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is God's gift. That's why we call it the present. Wisdom, compassion, and courage are the three universally recognized moral qualities of man. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. March 8. Public opinion is no more than what people think. Seek the lofty by reading, hearing, and seeing great work at some moment every day. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. There are three classes of men: admirers of wisdom, admirers of honor, and admirers of gain. March 9. One's wisdom is not best conveyed in words, it is conveyed in the possibilities and solutions one makes. The choices we make are ultimately our responsibility. Wisdom begins in wonder. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. The way you see people be the way you treat them, and the way you treat them is what they become. March 10. Wisdom begins in admiration. Agony can be the garden of kindness and humanity. If you keep your passion through everything, suffering can become your greatest supporter in your life's pursuit for affection and wisdom. If you don't know where you are going, you might have lost your motivation. If you find determination, commitment, and ambition, and you know where you want to go, no matter how many obstacles you have faced, but road will get you there to your destination. Exceptional intellectual genius is 1% divine inspiration and 99% hard work. Okay guys, I own nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it and inspired my life, and wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.